In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete ChatGPT History, 20-inch and 26 full guide. Whether you want a tidier sidebar or need to permanently remove past conversations, I'll walk you through archiving and deleting, what each option means, and a couple of quick fixes if the view doesn't update right away. First, let's cover archiving, sometimes called a soft delete. Archiving hides your conversations from the main sidebar, but keeps them safely stored so you can bring them back later. To do this, head to chatgpt.com, click your profile icon, and open Settings. In the menu, choose Data Controls. Look for Archive All Chats and select Archive All. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Confirm Archive. Your sidebar will clear out, giving you a cleaner workspace without losing anything. If you need to review or restore an item, go back to Data Controls, open Archived Chats, and select Manage. From there, you can view what's been archived and restore individual chats or handle them in bulk. Archiving is ideal when you're organizing or preparing for a fresh session, but still want a safety net. Depending on how many chats you have, the change can take a moment to appear. So give it a second to finish and avoid clicking repeatedly so you don't queue duplicate actions. Now, if you're sure you want everything gone for good, use Delete All Chats. Follow the same path: profile icon, settings, then data controls. Find Delete All Chats and click Delete All. You may be asked to verify your choice, just to make sure this action is intentional. Finally, click Confirm Deletion. This completely clears your home screen chat list, and the removal is permanent. Once deleted, your history can't be restored by you or by the system, so take a moment to double check before confirming. If you manage shared devices or want maximum privacy, this option removes conversation titles and content from your account view entirely. Here's the key difference in plain terms. Archive hides items from the main view and keeps them restorable. Delete removes items permanently and cannot be undone. Think of archive for decluttering and delete for privacy and permanent data removal when you know you no longer need the content. If the sidebar doesn't reflect the change right away, simply refresh your browser page. Also remember that updates you make on the web will sync across